Here we are on a lovely day in Bath Beach. The waterfall, notice it over there, let me zoom in. There it is. It always attracts so much attention. I'm fortunate to have a whole group of wonderful tourists with me this morning. As you can see, they're heading out there. Okay, we've gained some height now. Look at some banana trees. If you never saw a banana tree before, now is your opportunity. And
these are banana trees?
Yeah. Yes, correct.
Okay. Susanna.
Practice for the wedding day.
Yeah, we're hiking through here now, where we have quite a few fruit trees of different kinds. We didn't record this part of the trail before.
You've never been this far?
So we're recording it. No, we're just recording it for the movie. Here, we don't know how the movie will come out. I don't normally walk and record movie, but I just want to give potential viewers an idea of what it's like. Here we have a plant known as mother-in-law's tongue. You might have seen it before. You might have it as a house plant in England.
Look at it.
Yeah, it is a chihuahua. I'm terrified.
This is the fairly steep part of the hike here. It might not look so in the video, but we're going up quite a steep incline right now. We're just going to take a few of these purple flowers here. So here we are, continuing to trips up the hill. We just want to give you a view down there, but you can't see the spot that I took in the video some time back where it had the old house. So I just wanted to take it here so that you could compare the old house with the new.
Give it a nudge, Kate.
Okay, as you can see, we have this rickety, quaint little old bridge here that we have to cross in the gully. And this is one of the high points of the hike. Very nice and very nice and rustic scenery. I'm sure you have similar things. The coral fossils are an instant success. Okay, we're breathing hard because it's a hard hill. Along the top of the ridge is where we are right now. And the sun's coming out, so it's just all coming. Okay, go ahead, come through. With the pea trees in the background, to show Barbadians. There's one more black belly sheep down. Yes, he's making a lot of noise. That's how they sung. That's how you know they're sheep. Everybody thinks they're goats, but they're actually sheep. Now look at some more of them over there. So, look at them. Aren't they the cutest thing you ever did see? I'm going to try the. This digital zoom. I don't know how good the zoom is going to be. Look at it there. We have here a sundial Let me see if I can show you a picture of the sundial. No, I'm just going to take a picture of the sundial. Of course, it's no good when there's no sun. But there you can see the sundial in all its glory. I mean, it was all we had to tell time with years ago. Okay, so that's quite an ancient sundial there. And we're in the graveyard at the church. This is the graveyard at the St. John's Church. And we don't normally come in here, but they wanted to see what there was to see. Now it does have a stupendous view, except that today is a very bleak day. As you can see, we're looking out across the east coast. It's quite bleak today actually, but that's what it is sometimes on the hikes.
You and your sandals.
At last I was able to get far enough away to get everybody coming down. Now over there they're fascinated with something that they see. Probably it's the roots of that tree coming down. What it is you're taking pictures of?
Are they buttress roots?
Oh. Yes, we are showing you this big able crab. Look. Hello. Okay, everybody's there waiting. As you can see, you've got to watch your footing. Depending on how good the image stabilization is in this camera, I may not be able to use okay, here we are. This may be the best footage so far of the hike, depending on how the image stabilization works.
Huh?
We're still learning this fancy camera. This is a new HD waterproof camera that I bought so that I could record the hikes on days when the weather is bad. Today is not a bad weather day, but at least you're getting a feel for what it's like on the hike. You found a spider? Where is it? Is it big?
No.
Very small, is it? Let me get through there so I can... Thanks a lot. I'm trying to... I'm trying to get ahead of my own hike.
You got a new hike leader, Stephen.
Yes, it seems that way. You're doing a very good job so far.
And arms. And cat pictures. I don't know if I trust that. Hike leader.
She's actually surprisingly good at finding her way around places.
Yeah, well,
Yeah, I was surprised, to be honest.
the success of the hike here is that you just have to follow the trail for the most part.
That's what we were doing with.
At least at this part of it, we're just...
Sorry?
following the trail. Okay, so we just pause here to get everybody there. You can. How are you all enjoying the hike? Are you enjoying the hike? Yes, you're enjoying the hike. Make it sound like you really are, you know. Well, you see, we're right on the edge of a steep gully. Look it down there, okay? There's great. We finally reached a clearing in the jungle, and we're about to descend now to the coast for the scenic coastal part of the hike, which is what is so highly advertised. And now you can wave and say bye-bye to the people.
Bye-bye.
Well, okay. Thanks for hiking with me. What would you like to tell any persons that are coming? Any warnings, any advice? do a hike with me? You want to
do a hike. It's good.
Wear some good shoes. As you see, they managed with those shoes there. Nobody had a problem on this hike. Nothing, and they're not even muddy, so it was a wonderful day for hiking. Thanks for coming with me.
Bye.
Bye.